Good evening. My name is Dr. Giaquinto. Students call me Dr. G, and this will be my 14th year as principal at Citronia, the elementary school that I attended, and my 28th year in the Parkland School District. On behalf of the school faculty, welcome to this year's open house, and thank you for coming. If you are new to Citronia, a special welcome to your new school. Each classroom teacher will have 2 presentations. Each presentation is the same. This allows you to visit multiple classrooms in the event you have more than one child. The first presentation will begin after my message and last until about 7:10. There'll be a 10-minute transition, and the second classroom overview session will be from 7:20 to 7:45. Tonight's goal is for you to learn important information about your son or daughter's new grade and meet your child's teacher. The information will help your son or daughter be successful and get the new school year off to a great start. Tonight is also a chance for you to stop by and see the music, gym, media center, and art rooms. Thanks for taking time each Friday morning to read my 10 o'clock e-communication email. This is when you will receive important handouts, dates, and school information. If you are not receiving these emails, please call our school's main office right away at 610-351-5860. Parkland is pleased to offer Schoology as its learning management system across grades K through 12, and we encourage all parents to set up their accounts and download the app on their phones to stay abreast of student assignments and school updates. If you have never logged into Schoology, you will receive an email tomorrow with a link that will expire within 72 hours to set up your account with a personal password. Please watch this short video introduction of Parkland Schoology.
Welcome to Open House Night, parents. As your child begins a new school year, Parkland teachers will use Schoology as a central hub for education. With Schoology, your child will communicate, turn in work, complete assessments, and be organized all in one place. Let's take a look at how you can navigate Schoology as a parent and how you can use the platform as a window into your child's digital classroom. Parents and students can log in from their computers from the Parkland website at parklandsd.org/Schoology. Or you can log in from mobile devices by downloading the Schoology app. If you have not yet logged into Schoology, you will be sent a welcome email tomorrow from noreply@schoology.com with a link to set up your account that will expire after 72 hours. Make sure to set your personal password and download the app on your phone as well. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen. The first time you log in, you'll default to your own parent account as indicated by your name in the top right corner. Recent updates flow into the main screen. This may include posts from groups or courses that your child is enrolled in. It may also include school-wide announcements. To view information specific to one of your children, click your name in the upper right corner and select your child from the drop-down menu. You are now viewing the Schoology courses, groups, and updates that your child sees. However, you as a parent are simply viewing this information and are not able to act as your child in the course. Your child must log in as themselves first to engage with the content. Click Courses in the top menu to review a list of courses your child is a member of, or toggle to Enrollments to see your child's current activity in Schoology. Click on a course title to see complete course content or review items in the Upcoming area, which lists upcoming assignments and events. Click on an assignment title to jump directly to content with due dates in the near future. Depending on the type of assignment, teachers may also provide feedback on your student's work. Overdue items are also listed on this screen. These are items whose due date has passed and the student did not submit. While Home Access Center remains the best place to view grades and attendance, Schoology gives parents a view into their child's specific assignments for each class. Teachers use Schoology to post announcements, provide a safe forum for students to discuss ideas and collaborate on projects, and to assign and collect homework electronically. It helps students stay organized and keeps the class connected. If your child is a member of a group that meets outside of normal classes, such as a club, activity, or on a sports team, you may find this information in Groups in the top menu. Here you'll see a list of all groups your child has joined as a member. Click on a group name to view content. Remember, you're only viewing the content of your child's course and groups. Your child will need to log in themselves in order to see the option to participate in discussions make assignment submissions, and complete assessments. Connect to your child's classroom with push notifications, direct messaging, and more by downloading the Schoology app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store today. This is the preferred method to receive notifications from Schoology. It will keep you logged in and enable you to receive push notifications alerting you to updates. Click the Sign In with My Account button to enter your email and password. Use the email associated with your Home Access Center account. If you have any questions along the way, we're here to help. Please contact us at hack@parklandsd.net. We are excited to have Schoology as your central access point for communication and course material in grades K through 12 here in Parkland. Thanks for your attention.
The PAC, or Parents Association of Cetronia, is a supportive and active parent group. The PAC supports Cetronia's faculty and staff with grants for supplies and learning experiences such as field trips and assemblies. The PAC meets monthly, and they are in our gym tonight for you to visit. They are selling Cetronia t-shirts in our gym. Go get your Hedgehog swag. Pennsylvania requires all parents who want to volunteer in schools need to get clearances. All of the necessary forms to obtain your clearances, along with directions, can be found on the Parkland School District site, or contact the school office if you need more information. Here is a short video from our new PAC president, Sally Hyatt.
Thank you, Dr. G, and welcome fellow parents and families. I'm Dr. Sally Hyatt, president of the Parents Association of Cetronia. PAC provides many fun events throughout the year like paint night, book fair, and Fun Fest. We also fund teacher grants and class field trips, just to name a few. We're an active parent association with many new and exciting opportunities for you to get involved, but we need your help. If you're interested in volunteering or donating to PAC, please fill out the volunteer form in your packet this evening and return it to the teacher. This will place you on a contact list and keep you informed of our opportunities and events. If you want to learn more about PAC or getting involved, one of our board members is available in the gym this evening to talk about PAC, and we'll also be selling Cetronia t-shirts. You can find us on our PAC website, join our private Facebook group, or email us. And finally, we invite all of our parents to come to our first PAC meeting of the year on Thursday, September 14th at 6:30 p.m. Parents will hear from Dr. G and PAC members about upcoming events throughout the year. Again, please join us for our PAC meeting on September 14th at 6:30 p.m. See you then.
Our school-wide positive behavior program, called STARS, will continue this year. A brochure explaining STARS will be shared on this Friday's e-communication. Our staff is always on the lookout for students showing their stars. STARS emphasizes a positive school climate where students are expected to be safe, try, accountable, respectful, and sensitive across our entire school. This means the bus, hallway, caf, stairs, playground, and bathrooms. Also, bullying is not allowed at Cetronia. If bullying has been observed or confirmed through our school investigation, there may be a reasonable and appropriate consequence based on the situation. Parents, thank you for reinforcing this message at home and help Cetronia take a stand against bullying. The steps the staff take are a result of the facts and evidence school personnel and I collect here at school. Parkland School District continues to take measures to increase school security and student safety. Over 25 surveillance cameras are monitoring our school. In partnership with South Whitehall Township Police, Parkland Police Pals helps keep our schools safe. There is a daily police presence at Cetronia. Cetronia is locked at all times. All classroom doors are also locked. For building security measures, Cetronia is open until 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. Please remember in the event your child left something at school. All visitors are required to enter the school through the main entrance, located in the back of the school. The Parkland School District has initiated a security protocol, which may require all visitors, including parents, to show identification upon arrival. Please remember to have your ID every time you come to Cetronia. In order for your child to work to their potential, they must be here. You can pick up work when absent, but you can't make up the teacher's instruction. Research is loud and clear. Students do better when they come to school. Coming to school is not only a good thing, but it's a state law, which is why I review attendance reports weekly and will send attendance letters if necessary. Thank you for reinforcing the importance of attending school. While we do not want students to attend school when they are ill, we do want them to come to school on all other school days. If your student is sick, remember to call the absentee hotline before 9 o'clock. Also, if you drive your student to school, please be on time. Student arrival is from 8:35 to 8:50. Cetronia will run a school-wide Title I program. The use of these federal funds allows us to support our students in our K-5 classrooms. Tonight, you will watch a Title I parent orientation video in your child's classroom. If data indicates that students would benefit from services that are provided through Title I funding, a parent contact would be made by the classroom teacher. Title I support is provided in the area of reading and math. If you have any questions about the Cetronia Title I program, please contact Mrs. Bean, our reading specialist. Thank you again for coming tonight, and hope you have an enjoyable visit. I look forward to a great 23-24 school year. Let's go, Hedgehogs!